of Dance is the new dance competition series coming to NBC. The show, executive produced by Jennifer Lopez, sees dancers of all ages from all over the world competing for a $1 million grand prize, as voted on by a panel of celebrity judges and dance experts. Lopez is also a judge on the show, sitting alongside singer-dancer Ne-Yo and Dancing with the Stars alum Derek Hough, with Jenna Dewan Tatum serving as host and mentor. So what makes this different from other dance shows? Tatum told The Hollywood Reporter's Brian Perica, "So You Think You Can Dance is amazing, but it's very technical. And if you're not a dancer, sometimes it can feel a little polarizing in terms of watching it. With World of Dance, it was very much our intention to open it up to the masses." Hough told THR that the scale of the competition is what sets it apart. The competition is worldwide with dancers all over the world. There are no boundaries. It's also a competition between soloists, duos, trios, and groups. As Tatum said, Lopez is an icon in the dance world. Hough revealed that she is a hands-on executive producer, saying, "When Ne-Yo, Jenna, and I met with her, she was very passionate about this project and very passionate about dance. As far as gathering the dream team of not just judges, but the lighting and the creative director, she was a huge part in bringing the whole team together." World of Dance premieres on Tuesday, May 30th on NBC. For more from the full interview with Tatum and Hough about World of Dance, check out THR.com. I'm Tiffany Taylor for the Hollywood Reporter News, and you wouldn't know it right now, but I used to be a competitive dancer, and honestly, I like to think I still got it. Oh my gosh.